like them. It sucks me out to think like them.
Hi guys, if you're new here, I'm Deb. It's my camera woman, Darla. Cause she's an idiot. She's trying to put her hand in front of the camera, but she doesn't realize where the camera is at.
It doesn't matter. I gotta wave.
Anyway, today I'm doing the KingKong Wholesale Household Good Box. It is it's $71 a month if you get it on subscription, and if you get it on one off, it's $100. I think it's $100, right around $100. And it could be, this is all household goods, which means it could be anything in your house. If that narrows it down for you, I'm trying to undo it. Okay, I got it. And I'm doing it upside down because the bottom was coming out of it. My sister was afraid I was going to make a mess in her house. Like I don't intentionally make messes in her house.
Wow.
We have a wire sink strainer. Do you need one of these?
Don't want one.
Huh?
Don't want one.
Okay. That would be enough. Okay, then we got, what's this? This is a LED crystal lamp. I was kind of hoping it was a speaker because I think it would have been cooler if it was a speaker, but okay. And it's by Globe. I bet it's pretty.
I want to see it.
Huh?
I want to see it.
Oh, jeez.
Can you show it, at least the front of the box?
I did. Okay, here's your note. And here's what it looks like. And it's got lights in it. And you turn it any color you want.
Okay, that I might need.
Yeah, you gotta put that red light on the porch. Speaking of which, my neighbor, the one I call Girl, I think this is entirely unintentional, but he's got some kind of red curtain in his front room of his house. And every night he turns that light real bright and it just looks like he's got and I don't have the heart to tell him because I'm afraid I'll call him girl hands. Here's some foil, darling. You need some foil?
Wow, that's handy.
You need it for the...
Sure, just
That's what I was thinking for the other day.
put it in the Darla pile.
There's my contribution. Here's, ooh, this is heavy. This is a paper towel holder. It's heavy.
Nice.
Very
What
heavy.
color is that?
It would be like a off-white.
Almost looks gray.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It's off-white gray.
Huh.
I don't do colors very well. You know that. Why you need that?
Just put everything in Darla's pile.
Something's spilled in here, but I have a feeling it's this right here. It's
Oh,
Curly
yeah,
Care
you can see it.
Moisturizing Conditioner. Not your mother's, and it's for kids. I bet it was this that spilled. And we all know I have to have curly hair. This is some Cricut vinyl. You'd think I'd have a Cricut, but no.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
What?
I bought you a Cricut years ago for Christmas.
You did not buy me a Cricut.
I did too. You cut out all that stuff for us. Oh.
It's probably one of the original ones. Ooh, this is what it was.
What is it?
It's Beach Defense SPF Water and Sun. It's yours. Since you're the
We
one
can
who-
leave that here for the kids when they go.
Well, that's what I was
to
going to say. I just don't want... I don't know.
Yeah, I don't want you to get it. Yeah, just
I don't know what to do with it in the meantime. Here, I'll set it right on here.
there you go.
That's what I was trying to... Then we got this. Oh. This is a digital glass scale. Do you need one? Miss, I need to gain weight. Do you have one?
I just got one from Mama.
Oh, for Mom's? Well, I can put this in my storefront. By the way, we did get our storefront open in Yankee Peddlers and Athens Mall. So if you're local from Athens County, pop in, buy my stuff. Because I got to get rid of more stuff to put in there. Okay, and then we got a whisk. You need a whisk?
I got lots of lists.
I got 900. You know, I went for a long time, didn't have no whisk.
I know. It seems like once you get one, everyone gives you a whisk.
All of a sudden, this would be number 918. So you can see sewn in label for care instructions. Well, we don't know what it is.
We don't know what we're caring for.
Let's see what it says here. Warning, to avoid danger of suffocation. That wouldn't be it.
Rip it open. Who cares?
One panel. It says one panel, so I'm
Like
assuming
a shear?
it's one. Yeah, that's what it looks like.
What did you do with wine?
Yeah, hope and pray somebody gets you. That's what it is.
What?
It's just a shear.
Like for a window?
Uh-huh.
Well, that's kind of goofy.
Well, that's what not. This thing looks kind of cool.
A shelf?
I'm not real sure about the whole thing.
Let's open it.
I'm going to have to open it. And then right before I put it by my front door. Just kidding. Maybe. Because
I like the color.
it looks like one of those door envy ones where you decorate it every season
Oh.
on your front porch, you know. That's what it looks like. But I don't have a porch because I can't get nobody to love me enough to get me one.
Let me see the picture on the box again.
That's what it looks like.
So you can just use it for mail and keys.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
I know. But I'd like to decorate my porch if someone would give me one. But since we all know Jerry Wayne don't watch my videos, that hint ain't going to get through. And he's the only one I know that knows how to do it. Well, I know others. Well, ain't that nice? We have a wooden tissue box with the tissues involved.
Huh.
That's cute. I can't get it
And
open.
they gave you the tissues so you'd know what it was.
I can't get it
Because
open.
otherwise we'd say, why did they give us a wooden box?
If you can't figure that out.
It's not real decorative.
Well, I would paint something on there, actually, for my house, but
I guess I'm
it's cute.
too busy doing other stuff than to paint
I'm
a tissue
getting that way
box.
anymore. I got so much crap anymore. I got 19 different projects. Light filtering curtain.
That's what
And it
the
seems to be
shear.
a set of 2.
That's what maybe the shear was for under that.
It probably was. But,
Maybe you'll see another shear.
and it says, do not use this bag in cribs, beds, or carriages. Man, and that was just my plot, too. I would probably just climb out and hand it to me and say, you love this. We don't know what this, oh, here's your little fan light they gave me at the hospital. Clips right on your thing, Darla.
How many do you have?
I
Quite a
have,
few.
well, I don't know now because I don't remember if we threw them away or not for Mom's.
But it clips to what?
It clips to whatever you want to clip it to. But this is one they gave me this last time.
Is it battery operated?
Probably not. And probably USB, everything's USB-C.
Oh.
Hold on.
I was gonna
2
say,
AA batteries.
it'd be nice if you're laying out reading or something in the sun.
Hoover what?
Laying out reading in the summer.
Well, here you go, honey.
I'll never use it.
Put that on a lawnmower and make everybody laugh.
We have a mister out on the deck that we use. It's mist water.
Uh-huh.
Pretty
Well, don't
nice.
all of us have the financial capacity that you have.
Debbie, it's like a kid's toy. We just... We're just a little more...
Still, you didn't buy me one when you bought yours.
We're just... Have you ever heard of Mister?
No, but I will be looking it up.
Actually, we made
And
that
I
up.
love my sister, and my sister is financially much better off than I am, and I don't begrudge her that. She's worked very hard. But today I had to ask her, Darla, why you got shower curtain zip tied to your outdoor swing. And she said to hang flowers from. That was the smartest thing I've ever seen. And I know it didn't come from her, it came from her husband, but still, she gets credit by marriage. And here's another brush. It's a wet brush. Need a brush for you? We know you do. My sister is much like my
Funny,
father.
I was just talking about your hair, but that's
My
okay.
sister is much like my father. Neither one could ever pass a mirror or a window without fixing their hair.
Oh, well, the truth will come out in the video. Go on.
I know my hair looks like hell.
Just go on.
My hair always looks like hell. I don't stop at the window to fix it.
Go on.
Then we got this. What is this? Ooh, ginger black tea. Is that shit that's going to kill me?
What?
It says ginger black tea. I said, is that shit that's going to kill me? But it seems to me like...
Ginger black tea what?
I don't know. I'm almost there, Darla.
I mean, is it like tea bags?
No, it's not tea bags. It's
That's
in
what I'm
a bottle.
saying.
It's in a bottle, but then you got these sticks. Aromatic reed diffuser.
Oh, diffuser.
We don't want that. That was a womp womp. Because some things, yeah, they smell for about 2 minutes and they're done. And it looks like that. And we know I don't do dark. I don't do dark colors because I get depressed and get angry. That ain't why I don't do dark. Athletic insoles. They're up and up.
Wonder if you cut them to fit
Look how
or
big
if there's
these
a
bastards
size. That's what I was wondering, if they cut to
They do.
fit. Yeah.
It says right
Yeah.
where to cut.
Yeah.
But I don't think they cut down far enough for me.
Throw one over here. Oh.
You told me to.
I made a mistake.
And we got this. What are these? Oh, these are taper candles.
Wow.
They would go really good with your
With what?
with your tulips.
They're yellow.
I know, so are your tulips. Look.
No, those are orange.
They are? They look yellow to me.
Wow.
They're yellow.
Well, that tea thing was pink and you said it was black.
Well, you can't count on me for colors. I always have to ask Linda.
It was black.
And here's some little green things you can put them in. You can be all set for spring. Yeah, see, they're taper holders. Look, you just couldn't beat this look. You're thinking about it. That's what scares me.
It's just quaint. It's quaint. It's quaint.
It's quaint, all right.
They're just not our colors.
Darla, that's gonna look tacky at anybody's house.
I was thinking.
These are cute,
I was thinking out on
but
the.
not with these.
I was thinking on the deck, but no, it's not our colors.
Got me a new belt. Can't bend over. Oh, this is nice.
That's a lot of money in that box.
That's nice.
It is.
I'm gonna have Joe hang it up July for you.
Shut up, Debbie. Hey, what color is it? Turn that around.
The funny thing is, Jerry Wayne did the exact same fucking thing to mine. I mean, that exact same thing to mine. I'll beep it up. I had him hang mine up, and he did the same thing. Hung it that much too high.
That one's way too high.
So is this going in your pile or not?
If you don't need it or don't want it.
Darla, at this point, it really doesn't matter. Do you want it?
Sure.
Okay.
I always can't wait to get this stuff, and then when you leave, I can't wait to figure out what to do with it.
This is, I don't know. This says bright room. And it's just nothing but a tote. So I don't know what's so damn
What?
bright
It
about.
has spirals on the side, doesn't it?
It's a fabric bin. It's just a bin.
No.
And I got 900 of these in my room. Yeah, it's just a bin, and this goes in the bottom.
Oh.
You can get the same thing at Dollar Tree. Well, that's where I got mine. You get the same thing.
Well, you
at
can
Dollar
tote
Tree.
all your stuff.
And you know they put that cardboard on there so they could charge more. And I'll
That's a cardboard box, basically.
Yeah, that's pretty much what it is with fabric on. And that's this box. Now, do you think I got my $70 or not? I think I did. I think there's well over $70 worth of stuff here.
Like this, and it's like, no, I went like this. Anyhow, but it's like half my head, and I go, hi. I said, she just went to the bathroom to brush her hair. She really needed it, trust me. You'll know when she comes out, you'll know she really needed to brush it. And then you start talking about my hair. I'm like, we'll see.
Keep talking.
She can't.
So anyway,
And who is that from?
KingKong Wholesale.
KingKong Wholesale.
Yeah.
I'll have to look them up.
They have all different kinds of boxes. So anyway, come on back, like, subscribe. Old people need love too. Subscribe. Bye. Shut it off. Because as long as you leave it open, I feel like I have to talk.
I don't know how to stop it.
Hit that button you just started.